like that. Well, I mean, not so messy, but you rip it just like that.
Does that make it like 104 card pickup now?
Yeah, yep. And even harder than ripping a deck of cards is ripping that in half. I'm gonna put my finger around it just like that. I'm gonna come down here. Rip it just like that.
You hear the card going,
Just like that. Quartered it. Well, that was the easy way. That was the easy way to do it. I'm gonna have Mason come up here. Got another deck of cards.
Woo, Mace!
You can see they're unopened.
This could be tough. They go,
Same deck as last. There's nothing wrong with them. Have you go over here, that tree branch. Alright. Same as last time. I'm gonna grab them here so they're obviously not fanned out. I'll have Mason stand right over here. Just like that. Okay. I'm gonna pick him up and I'm sure to tear your cards in my hand at the same time holding you up in the air.
legit.
Alright.
That's awesome.
Legit.